If you have ever looked at macOS and thought, "I love the design, but I want more freedom, customization, and control," then you are not alone. In 2026, Linux has reached a point where you no longer have to choose between beauty and performance. There are now dozens of Linux distributions that borrow the elegant look and smooth workflow of macOS while offering the power and flexibility that Linux users have always loved. So, I decided to test 10 macOS-style Linux distros to find out which ones actually deliver the best experience and which ones are just trying to copy the appearance without the substance. The first thing I noticed while testing these distributions was how much the Linux desktop ecosystem has evolved. Years ago, making Linux look like macOS required hours of installing themes, icons, extensions, and manually changing settings. Today, many distributions come ready with polished interfaces, beautiful animations, clean layouts, and workflows that feel familiar to Mac users from the first boot. But looking like macOS is only one part of the experience. A great operating system also needs stability, speed, software availability, hardware support, and a user-friendly design. One of the first distributions I tested was Elementary OS, a project that has always been considered one of the closest Linux alternatives to macOS. The moment you launch Elementary OS, the influence is obvious. The clean dock, simple application launcher, rounded design elements, and minimal interface all feel inspired by Apple's design philosophy. What makes Elementary OS special is that it does not just copy macOS visually. It creates its own consistent ecosystem where every application follows the same design language. It feels calm, organized, and incredibly easy to use, especially for people switching from a Mac. Next, I tested Zorin OS, which has become one of the most popular choices for people moving away from Windows and macOS. Zorin OS stands out because it offers a highly polished desktop experience with layouts that can be customized to feel like different operating systems. With the right settings, it can provide a very convincing macOS-like workflow. The animations are smooth, the interface feels modern, and the system is extremely beginner-friendly. Zorin OS also performs well on a wide range of hardware, making it a strong option for users who want a beautiful desktop without needing a powerful machine. Another interesting distribution I tried was Ubuntu Budgie. Budgie's desktop environment has always had a reputation for combining simplicity with elegance. With a macOS-inspired theme, a bottom dock, clean menus, and smooth transitions, Ubuntu Budgie can transform into a very attractive Mac-like system. What impressed me most was how lightweight and responsive it felt compared to some heavier desktop environments. It provides a modern visual experience while still keeping the reliability and huge software support that Ubuntu is known for. Then I moved on to Deepin Linux, a distribution famous for having one of the most visually impressive desktops in the entire Linux world. Deepin desktop environment features glass effects, beautiful icons, elegant animations, and a layout that immediately feels premium. If visual design is your main priority, Deepin is one of the strongest contenders. The interface looks almost like something created by a professional design team, and it provides a very unique experience. However, users should also consider factors like community support and update cycles before choosing it as their daily driver. I also tested Cutefish OS, a project that was heavily inspired by modern Apple-style design. Cutefish focuses on simplicity, smooth animations, and a clean interface with a strong macOS influence. When it works correctly, it delivers one of the closest visual experiences to macOS available in the Linux world. The problem is that projects like this can sometimes struggle with long-term development and support. A beautiful interface is impressive, but an operating system also needs consistent updates and a reliable community behind it. Another strong candidate was KDE Plasma with a macOS-style setup. Technically, KDE Plasma is not a single distribution, but it deserves attention because it offers almost unlimited customization. With the right themes, icons, panels, and dock settings, KDE can become almost identical to macOS while giving users far more control. The advantage of KDE is that you are not locked into one design. You can create a Mac-like environment today and completely redesign your desktop tomorrow. It is perfect for users who want both beauty and freedom. Linux Mint was another distribution I tested because of its reputation for stability and ease of use. While Linux Mint does not look like macOS by default, it can be transformed with themes and customization. Its Cinnamon desktop provides a comfortable experience for beginners, and its reliability makes it one of the safest choices for everyday computing. For users who care more about a smooth, dependable system than a perfect visual copy of macOS, Linux Mint remains a fantastic option. I also explored Garuda Linux, which takes a very different approach. Instead of trying to perfectly imitate macOS, Garuda focuses on creating a premium-looking, futuristic desktop experience. With its colorful themes, modern effects, and powerful tools, it feels more like a luxury version of Linux. It may not be the closest Mac replacement, but it proves that Linux can offer designs that are even more customizable and visually exciting than traditional operating systems. After testing all 10 distributions, I realized that the best macOS-style Linux distro depends on what you actually want. If your priority is a true Mac-like feeling with simplicity and elegance, Elementary OS is still one of the strongest choices. If you want customization and a familiar workflow, Zorin OS and KDE Plasma setups are excellent. If you want the most visually stunning interface, Deepin and similar projects provide an unforgettable experience. The biggest surprise from this experiment was seeing how close Linux has become to competing with the polished feeling of macOS. Linux is no longer just a system for developers, servers, or advanced users. In 2026, it can be beautiful, simple, powerful, and ready for everyday users. The freedom to choose your design, your software, and your workflow is something that macOS simply cannot offer in the same way. After spending time with these 10 macOS-style Linux distributions, my conclusion is clear. Linux has entered a new era where design and usability are no longer weaknesses. Whether you are a former Mac user looking for more control, or simply someone who wants a beautiful desktop experience without expensive hardware restrictions, there is a Linux distribution waiting for you. The future of desktop computing is becoming more customizable than ever, and Linux is proving that you do not need a locked-down ecosystem to have a premium experience.